When a user is not with a company anymore, whether it is employee, contractor, or customer, we need to make sure his or her access is terminated immediately. If a user who has left the company still has access to company resources, this could be a security issue as well as audit and compliance failure. There are a few considerations when it comes to user termination process. Account termination is one of them. As soon as the user contract is terminated, the user account needs to be closed or disabled. Access revocation. As soon as the user is leaving the company or the contract is terminated, their access to all systems need to be revoked. And asset collection is the last one. Upon termination of a contract, all the assets used by that user need to be collected. Data on personal assets also need to be wiped out. Another sensitive topic for access management is the role changes. When users work in companies for a long time, they could have multiple roles and switch between positions. A finance user today might end up being an IT employee after a few years, or similarly, an IT user can move to a different department after a while. The biggest challenge with role changes is permission inheritance. When a user starts working in a department, he or she might have specific permissions based on where they're working. When they're moved to a different department and they're moving to a different department, their old access permission need to be revoked. Users carrying their permissions in most cases after moving to a different position, which is a security and compliance failure. An example, Rob is working in finance department and he has access to all financial data. But after a while, he joins IT department. After Rob joining IT, Rob still has access to all those financial data, unless there is a process to revoke his permission after changing his role. Let's do a quick quiz. A new IT administrator is joining your company on Monday. Which one of the below is not an immediate requirement for him? Creating a user account, induction and security training, admin access, provisioning to IT systems. If your response is number 3, admin access provisioning to IT systems, you are correct.